Do you dream of the perfect home? Do you imagine the gatherings, experiences, and life events that will happen there? Deep down, you know the home is where connection lives and memories are made. Life's most precious moments begin at home. So why would you trust your dreams to just anybody? Why use a relic of the past with the same old lines? Expert, experience, specialization, communication, customer service. Shouldn't that be a given? That's like saying, hey, this car comes with wheels, brakes, and steering wheel. It's better. It's time to rethink, reimagine, and reinvent the real estate experience. Like you, we have a dream too, to be more than a realtor by giving you a new real estate experience. At Home with David is your gateway to a real lifestyle that unites with your dreams. Let us guide you to a comforting experience you can trust. Contact us today at www.athomewithdavid.com.